Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set voltage and calibrate your XP600 printhead. We'll start by understanding why proper voltage is crucial for consistent ink ejection. Then, I'll guide you through the precise steps for calibrating your printhead, ensuring sharp, accurate prints. Finally, we'll cover essential maintenance practices and troubleshooting tips to keep your XP600 running smoothly and extend its operational life. Let's dive in and optimize your printing performance. Setting the correct voltage is vital for your XP600 printhead's performance. You'll typically access these adjustments through an advanced setup menu, often requiring a password like 16753. The optimal voltage usually falls between 460 and 580. If your ink spray appears weak, consider increasing the voltage slightly. Conversely, if you notice ink bleeding or overly thick colors, a slight reduction can help. Always make small, incremental changes. Calibrating your XP600 involves several key steps to achieve perfect print quality. First, perform a vertical alignment by carefully adjusting the printhead screws until all lines appear perfectly straight. Next, tackle bidirectional calibration. Print a test pattern and input the value that shows the least offset to eliminate horizontal banding. Finally, complete a pass-step calibration by printing specific patterns, measuring the printed squares, and entering those measurements into your software for precise adjustments. To ensure your XP600 operates at its best, maintain an environment with a temperature between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels of 40 to 60% are also ideal, especially for eco-solvent inks. Regular cleaning is paramount to prevent clogs and prolong printhead life. Remember, never pour strong solvents directly onto the printhead cap, as this can severely damage the delicate piezoelectric crystals. Proper care ensures consistent, high-quality output.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.